In this video, I'll guide you through how to integrate Zoho People with Zoho Payroll so your HR and payroll data work together smoothly behind the scenes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each choice means, and how to avoid common setup mistakes, even though the process itself is quite short. Let's start inside your Zoho People account. Make sure you're logged in with an admin or someone who has permission to manage integrations. From the main dashboard, look for the settings option. This is usually represented by a gear icon and is where all your configuration and admin tools live. Go ahead and click settings. Think of this as the control center where you connect Zoho People to other Zoho apps and services. Once you're in the settings area, you'll see different categories and options. Here you want to find and select Marketplace. The Marketplace is where Zoho lists all the apps and integrations that can connect with your Zoho products. Selecting Marketplace takes you to a dedicated area where you can browse available extensions and quickly find what you need without digging through unrelated menus. Inside the Marketplace, look for the Zoho section. This area groups all integrations that work specifically with Zoho's own applications, which makes it easier to locate Zoho Payroll among the list. Click Zoho and then scroll or search until you find Zoho Payroll. If there's a search bar, simply type Zoho Payroll to get there faster. Once you see Zoho Payroll, select it to open the integration details page. Here you may see a brief description of what the integration does and what kind of data can be synced between Zoho People and Zoho Payroll. Now it's time to connect your Zoho Payroll account. On the Zoho Payroll integration page, look for a button that lets you connect or authorize the integration and click it. If you're not already signed into Zoho Payroll in your browser, you may be prompted to log in. Use your usual Zoho Payroll credentials and then allow the necessary permissions so Zoho People can communicate with Zoho Payroll. This authorization step is what lets the two systems securely share information such as employee details and relevant HR data. After your account is connected, you'll usually be asked to select the organization and configure your sync settings. If your Zoho account manages more than one organization, make sure you choose the correct one that matches the company data in Zoho People. This avoids any confusion or mismatched records later. Next, adjust your sync settings according to how you want data to flow between the two systems. Depending on your setup, you may be able to define how often data syncs, what kind of information is shared, or which fields are included. Take a moment here to align these options with your internal HR and payroll processes. If you're not sure, it's safer to start with the default settings and refine them later as you see how the integration behaves. Once your organization and sync preferences look right, click Save to complete the integration. This final action activates the connection and stores your choices. After saving, it's a good idea to verify that the integration is working by checking a sample employee record in both Zoho People and Zoho Payroll to confirm that the information is consistent. That's it. You've now integrated Zoho People with Zoho Payroll, helping streamline HR and payroll operations and reducing manual data entry.